Craving a phone that's smooth as butter, powerful enough to crush any task, captures stunning photos even at night, and keeps you going all day? Look no further. The Poco X6 5G has everything you're looking for, and all under 20,000 rupees only. Hello guys, I am Shlok and I am here to review the Poco X6 5G, the little bro of the X6 Pro. Is it the budget beast it claims to be? Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the Poco X6 5G's design. Unlike the Pro version, Poco opts for a sizable camera module here. At first glance, you might mistake the back for glass, but it's actually premium feeling plastic. Available on Flipkart, you get two striking color options for now, a mirror black and a snowstorm white. Despite packing a substantial 5100 mAh battery, this phone weighs in at a surprisingly light 181 grams. Impressively, it rocks Gorilla Glass Victus protection for the screen, offering peace of mind from scratches and cracks, while I always recommend adding a tempered glass protector for extra security. Why risk 1,000 rupees to save a couple of hundred, right? Alright, let's move on to the ports and buttons. The Poco X6 5G packs quite a punch on the bottom edge. A booming speaker chamber, the essential USB Type-C port, a microphone and a SIM card tray. While some might miss an SD card slot, fear not. The base variant itself sports a generous 256GB storage, leaving most users worry-free thanks to Poco's thoughtful decision. Flipping to the top, we find an IR blaster sensor, a rare gem these days, another microphone, another speaker chamber for that sweet stereo sound, and the ever-loved 3.5mm headphone jack. Poco certainly didn't skimp on connectivity options. Now, buckle up because we are entering the highlight reel, the display. The Poco X6 5G provides the same stunning panel as its Pro sibling, and it does not disappoint. At 6.67 inches, it delivers a crisp 1.5K AMOLED experience with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Dive into a stunning world of 68.7 billion colors enhanced by Dolby Vision, making this phone a dream come true for both gamers and video editors, especially for color grading. The near invisible bezels, a mere 1.3mm, contribute to an impressive 94% screen to body ratio. The punch-hole selfie camera further blends seamlessly, leaving the stage to the breathtaking visuals. And with specs like 2160Hz touch sampling rate, 1920Hz PWM dimming, and an incredible 1800 nits peak brightness, this phone's display truly belongs in a class of its own. In the under 20,000 category, this is hands down the king of displays. Let's dive into the engine under the hood, the processor. Powering the Poco X6 5G is the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2. A chip that ranks above the likes of the Snapdragon 695, Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, and even the Snapdragon 778. Packing an Antutu score that surpasses 6 lakhs, it's no slouch. Starting with a generous 8GB plus 256GB base variant, you can also opt for a hefty 12GB plus 512GB option, both paired with speedy LPDDR4 RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. Now the burning question, can this phone game? The answer is a resounding yes. BGMI runs like butter at 60 FPS, and even Genshin Impact holds its own at 30 FPS, all without major thermal issues. And thanks to the efficient 4nm chipset, expect a solid 1 to 1.5 days of battery life before needing a top-up. So yes, the Poco X6 5G is definitely a gamer's friend. While the Poco X6 5G is HyperOS ready, it ships with MIUI 14 out of the box, though some might prefer HyperOS with Android 14 right away. Fear not. Poco has promised a HyperOS update for this phone, keeping it future-proof. Plus, you get 3 years of major OS updates and 4 years of security patches, putting update worries to rest. Now let's talk bloatware. There are some pre-installed apps, but hey, they are easily uninstallable. And MIUI Dialer offers a hidden call recording feature, so you can record your calls secretly. Sensor-wise, it's got you covered. And did I mention the ultra-fast in-display fingerprint sensor paired with face unlock? Convenience at its finest. Let's move on to connectivity, where the Poco X6 5G shines again. Impressively, it packs in 10 5G bands, ensuring blazing fast network speeds in most regions. While dual 5G SIM isn't supported, you still get all the essential options like dual band Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2. While some might miss VoNR, rest assured this phone delivers solid connectivity regardless. Now buckle up camera enthusiasts, because we are entering the crown jewel of this phone, the camera. Brace yourselves, because the Poco X6 5G provides the same incredible setup as its Pro sibling. Get ready for a triple camera powerhouse, a 64 megapixel main sensor with OIS for stunning clarity and detail, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes, and a 2 megapixel micro sensor for getting up close and personal with the little things. On the flip side, a 16 megapixel punch-hole selfie camera ensures your portraits pop, and the video capabilities, no slouch either. Record buttery smooth 4K footage at 30 fps or capture action-packed 1080 pixels at 60 fps, all with the rear camera. The front camera lets you showcase your personality in 1080 pixels at 60 fps or 720 pixels at 30 fps. I was honestly blown away by the camera's performance. It truly delivers high quality photos and videos that will impress even the most discerning eye. Speaking of other noteworthy specs, this phone provides an IP54 rating, making it splash and sweat proof for those unexpected moments. Add to that Widevine L1 certification for streaming your favorite content without a hitch, and a cool trick up its sleeve, a built-in fingerprint sensor that doubles as a heart rate monitor. Alright, time to address the elephant in the room. Pricing. This Poco X6 5G is now available on Flipkart and its price tags will make you smile. The base variant with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage starts at just 19,799 rupees, including enticing bank offers. If you need a bit more breathing room, the 12GB RAM and 512GB storage option comes in at 22,499 rupees, also factoring in those sweet bank deals. So, there you have it, the Poco X6 5G, a phone that packs a punch across the board without breaking the bank. If you are in the market for an all-rounder that won't let you down, be sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures. Thanks for watching.